Today I'm going to be unboxing and sharing my initial impressions of the Tenways CGO600 Pro e-bike. So this is what it looks like after you assemble it, and to me this is a very nice looking e-bike. It looks very modern. I got sky blue. You can also get like this midnight dark gray color or avocado green. All of their paint colors are kind of have this flat tone to them. They look very appealing and aesthetically pleasing for my taste because I like more of this muted look. And before I get into all the features of this e-bike, I want to let you know that in my opinion, this e-bike looks like a road bike, which means it doesn't have any front suspension up here. The tires are going to be very narrow and slender. It also has a sleek seat. All of these things make up for a great cycling e-bike, something that you're going to be riding and actually pedaling. And I want to let you know that I haven't ridden this e-bike yet. I'm going to make a follow-up video where I test it in the future and can put more miles on it before I create that content. So this one is just going to be going through the features. I'll also put a link in the description below if you're interested in this e-bike. Now let's get into the features. One of the first things that caught my attention with this e-bike was when I was literally taking it out of the box, I realized that this e-bike is very lightweight. This is actually pretty light and easy to pick up. It comes in at only 35 pounds, which is very lightweight for an e-bike, especially if you have to haul it into your apartment or over top of curbs or upstairs, anything like that. This e-bike is going to be very easy for you to transport. Something else that was very eye-catching to me was this Gates carbon belt. It doesn't have a chain. So the one thing that I really love about belts instead of chains is it's not going to get you all oily. So if you have to pick this up and your leg accidentally touches it, you're not going to stain your pants or get them dirty or get your hands all greasy. Also, this is supposed to last a long time. Before you have to do any maintenance on this belt, it's supposed to get you over 18,000 miles. Now moving on to the handlebars, these grips are very nice. They're a rubber material. They feel very great in my palms. And then it also has a bell on your right-handed side. And it also has hydraulic brakes, which if you know me at all, these are my favorite kind of brakes. I do not like mechanical brakes on e-bikes, so these I'm very pleased with. Now when you turn the display on, there's a button up top that will let you turn on the bike, and immediately it shows me that I have a password set, which is very cool. That means anyone can't steal your e-bike, and once you put in your passcode, then you can access your e-bike. That is a very nice feature to have. Now looking at the display, you can see your miles per hour, you can see how many miles you've traveled, and you can see what pedal assist level you're in, and you can change that by the buttons right here on the display as well. So it's very easy to toggle between different pedal assist levels, and you can hit the M button, which is mode, which will show you different details as well, like your average speed, your max speed, your trip, your range, your total mileage, all that stuff just on the display screen. Oh, and it will show you your battery percentage up top there, which is very nice. It shows that it's at 60%, and it also shows the icon of the battery so that you have a clear visual of how much power you have left in your e-bike. This e-bike also comes with an app that you can pair to it to get more details all on your phone to track your rides. But what's nice that I love is that you don't need your phone to be able to actually ride the bike because of the display screen. It has all the information you need on there. So I love that you can access your mobile app if you need to, or you can just ride it as is. What else? The pedals. I think this is plastic. Nothing special here, but they're just pedals. You just stand on them, so cool. Frame. Metal, aluminum. I don't know why I'm even going over what everything is made out of, because I don't know. Metal. Probably. So you can see that it does have fenders though, which is nice. It keeps the bike cleaner, keeps you cleaner when you're riding out in all the dirty elements. Okay, now taking a look at the front of the bike, I love this headlight. I love that it's built right into the frame of the bike. This just looks a lot more modern and sleek in my opinion, but the one downside about the lights on this e-bike is that it only has front headlights built into the bike. And in the rear of it for your tail lights, you just have this battery powered little button that you have to press to turn on your rear light. I don't love that as much. I wish they would have integrated rear tail lights into this e-bike and taillights that also glow brighter when you squeeze the brakes. That way it signals to people that you're stopping. That's the kind of lights that I like in the rear of the e-bike, especially when you're riding out in public. So sweet headlight, could use a better taillight. Nice little logo, Tenways. Don't know why I'm whispering it, but something I wanted to let you know is that this e-bike has a max range of 52 miles on one charge, which is very impressive to me. Because this battery is so dang skinny and small, I'm surprised that it can get that much range out of this little battery. This battery actually unlatches from the bottom. Most of my other e-bikes, it unlatches from the top, so this is a different design choice, but I'm pretty pleased with it. I don't have any complaints about that. It's kind of nice. But look how tiny this is. Look how lightweight. I mean, you can't tell how lightweight it is, but look how tiny this is. This thing is super small, and if it propels you that far on one charge, then I am pretty impressed. Pretty cool. Pretty awesome. Pretty good job, guys. It's 360 watts of power that it gives off the motor, and I'm just surprised that it gets you that much range. Now, obviously, it depends on how you're riding, how heavy you are, what kind of conditions you're riding in. Is it very hilly? What pedal assist level you're in? All those things dictate your range, but it's still impressive that it does all that with this small battery. This e-bike has a max weight capacity of, I think, 260 something pounds. I'll put the actual number up on screen. I think it's that, but I don't know. Oh, and on the handlebars here, it has this adjustable stem, which allows you to tilt the handlebars up higher or down further. That's really nice rather than a stem that is just locked into place. This can adjust for more rider types. If you're taller, if you're shorter, that is great for that. CSTX Pedium Pro double breaker tires. Do I know what that means? No. Now let's get into pricing. At the time of this recording, this e-bike is currently listed for $1,599. What do I think about that price? I don't know. I don't know yet until I actually take it for a ride to see how it handles and all that stuff, because that's going to make up the majority of my opinion. But based on the features that I know about, I think that is a very reasonable price because it has hydraulic brakes on it. It has a belt right here, which these are a little more expensive. It has a torque sensor, which that's usually a premium feature as well. It has an integrated headlight that looks very sleek. It has great range and mileage. All those things make for a little bit more expensive of an e-bike because they are all better quality parts. It comes with an app, it comes with a nice display. All those things are nice features that you won't see on cheap e-bikes. So I think the price point, just by the features that I know about, I think it's a pretty fair price. This is so tiny. So there it is. Those are my initial thoughts about the features and about this e-bike in general. I'll follow back up with another video about the riding experience, the top speed, what kind of motor it is, all that good stuff in my other video. And I'll put a link in the description below for you to check out this product. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and that's about it. So have a nice day. Take care of yourself.